Sa araw ng Pasko. Yan, thank you, Sis Ivy. The mic is yours. Ano ba yan? Ayaw.
Thank you. Ay, may kinanta mo. Mamaya pares tayo.
Singers PH.
Merry Christmas! Namamas ka po! Lamig ang simoy ng hangin. Nababa? Nagsaya ng bawat damdamin. Ang tibok ng puso sa bibig. Para bang hulog na ng langit. Sinig. Ayoko na nga nito. Sorry. Ito na lang.
Get Pasko ready with Maggie. I may have 99 problems, pero pagdating sa Christmas spaghetti, wala akong problemang pasarapin. O diba? Magic!
People making lists, buying special gifts, taking time to be kind and one and all. It's the time of year when good friends are near, and you wish you could give more than just presents from a store. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? Thank you, Abinda. Even the man who says everything would be so happy if you would bring. Give love on Christmas Day. No greater gift is there than love. Hello, Mama Lou. People you don't know, smile and nod hello. Everywhere there's an air of Christmas joy. Is that once a year when the world sees here, and you like to find a way to show the things that words can say. Why don't you give love on Christmas Day? Oh, the man is sweet in a couple of stairs. Only to know there's someone who cares. Give love on Christmas Day. No greater gift is there than love. What the word need is love. Yes, the give love on Christmas Day. Every little child in Gastic has room for your love and the joy you bring. Give love on Christmas Day. No greater gift is there than love. What the world needs is love. If the world needs your love, what don't give love on Christmas Day? Every Tom, Dick, and Harry, every Susie too needs love. Every beat as much as you give love on Christmas Day. No greater gift is there than love. Ayan, sino next? Thank you. Sino next? Wally? Press 1, guys.
What gets us going? Got it! New Super Bowl rice.
Low. Kanino press 1? Sige pa, isa. Namamas ka pa. Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the soul felt its way. Incredible grace, a thrill of hope. The weary world rejoices for yonder race, and new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees. Oh, hear the angels' voices. Oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine, oh, night divine. Hello, Tenyor. Ba't ba ito mga pinky ko? More ring. Aba, mapal to si Ate Malgrace. A trail of hope, the weary world rejoices for yonder breaks, and new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angels' voices. Oh, night divine, yeah, oh, voice on night divine, all night divine. Ay, plus one kayo dyan. Ano daw? Hindi ko na alam yung dito, yung dulo. Oh yeah daw. Oh yeah. Wala, concert ko na daw. Wala. Ayun, Lolo! Thank you! Go, Lola! Take it away! Go, go, go!
Singers PH.
Ayan, bagay kay Lolo kaysa sa akin. Thank you, Lola.
Ang lang tulot para mahulog na nasa ibig na nagana. Mayroon lang wala ang kalungkutan, bukod ang kasayaman. Ibig ng ako'y umiiral sa loob ng bawat daan. Masaya ang mga sasawi, ay awit mo'y nagmahal. Ibig na ako'y gagana, mayroon lang lahat. Wala ang kalungkutan, bukod ang kasayaman. Ibig ng ako'y umiiral sa loob ng bawat daan. Masaya ang mga tanawin, ay awitan mo'y Ibok ng puso sa dibdib, para lang hulog na. Thank you. Merry Christmas! Maligayang bati sa lahat. MD, go ahead.
Yan, thank you, Lolo. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. Ito para sa mga OFW na Christmas. Ako kaya. Ang lahat itong mga pagtitiis, Nalubasin niyo lang at ako'y muling magbabay. O kay tagal di naman ang aking pagkalayo sa kagustuhan ko sa hirap buhay habang hango. Maraming araw at gabi ang aking binuno. Mga mahal kong nagpalakas ng aking loob. Hindi ko napansin ang takbo ng mga araw. Ngayon ako'y babalik na sa Pilipinas. Bilis ng pabilis ang ibok ng aking dibdib. Habang ang eroplano'y palapit ang palapit. Sa bayang bungay, tagal din hindi ko nasilip. Ngayon hindi ko na utong mapapasin. Tiusin kumababa itong sinasakyan. Sabi ng stewardess, ituwid ang upuan. Talambag na ang eroplano sa ating inagbayan. Ang saya ng laraway, walang mapagsisidlang. Pasko ang damdamin. 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 Bunga ng lahat itong mga pagtitiis. Sa lubang sinilangan ako'y muling magbabay. O kay tagal di naman ang aking pagkalayo sa kagustuhan ko sa hirap buhay ng ako. Maraming araw at gabi ang aking binuno. Mahal ko muna paglakas ng aking loob. Friday, hello po! Hindi ko napansin ang takot ng mga araw.
Thank you so much.
Merry
Christmas!
Thank you po! Mabilis ng
Thank you so much.
Habang ang eroplano'y papalapit ng palapit. Sa bayang bungkay, tagal ding hindi ko nasilip. Ngayon ay muli ko na itong mamasid. Hindi bumababa itong sinasakyan. Sabi ng stewardess, ituwid ang upuan. Lalapag na ang eroplano sa ng bayan. Ang saya na daramay, walang magsidlan. Pasko ang damdamin. 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 Pasko damdamin. Pasko ang damdamin. Pasko ang damdamin. Pasko, ikaw namang cutie. Pasko, wala nang katapusang Paskong damdamin na ito ah. Ayan na cutie. Maraming Pasko ang damdamin.
Pasko,
Ay, cutie.
ikaw na cutie, sabi.
Wait lang, wala akong makitang kanta. Pampasko. Ano ba maganda?
Kahit ano dyan, basta Pasko.
Ito na naman na lang. Ay, ito na lang. Ay, ano ba ito? Hindi ko alam. Ito na nga lang. Ay, Sarah pala yun. Hindi ko alam yun. People making gifts, buying special gifts, taking time to be kind to one another. It's the time of year when good friends are near, and you wish people could more than just presents. Back to you. Ah, sino na ba? Si Saibi? Sino na ba? Si Sam J. Lolo.
Sige ako na. Thank you, Ate Cuties.
the perfect Christmas is to spend it with you. In a party or dinner for two, anywhere would do. Celebrating the Yuletide season, always light up our lives. Simple pleasures are made special too, when they share with you. Looking through some old photographs, faces of friends will always remember. Watching busy shoppers rushing about in the cool breeze of December, sparkling lights all over town. Children's carols in the air, for the Christmas tree, a shower of stardust on your head. I can think of a better Christmas than my wish coming true. And my wish is that you let me spend my whole life with you. Ngayon ko lang ito kinanta. Buti may Sarah Geronimo na version. Mahirap pagpapalalaki. Looking through some old photographs, faces of friends will always remember. Watching busy shoppers rushing about in the cool breeze of December, sparkling lights all over town. Children's carols in the air, for the Christmas tree, a shower of stardust on your head. I can think of a better Christmas than my wish coming true. And my wish is that you let me spend my whole life with you. My idea of a perfect Christmas, spending it with you. Ayan, Merry Christmas, Loloy Kamang Maglasong. Thank you so much. Take it away, Lolo Tani. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Huliman.